today I'm going to be doing asking my sisters to be my bridesmaid for my wedding. Well, actually, they're not going to be my bridesmaids, they're going to be my maid of honor. And my sister's coming into town from South Lake Tahoe, and it's going to be my first time meeting my nephew, which I'm really excited about, Daniel. And so my sister Christina's asking for taro bread from one of our favorite Asian bakeries called 85 Degrees. And so I'm planning to surprise them, and once they open their box, they're gonna see me revealing to them that I'm asking them to be my maid of honors. So this is the 85 Degrees, and once she opens it, it says, "Will you be my matron of honor?" And I designed this cute little envelope with a little poofy ball. And then here's her taro bread. Here's my other sister, so I'm going to surprise her. So this is what I'm going to do. This one is for Sakuna. So when she opens it, she gets all this. This is like her goodie box. And this is her little sign. It says, "Will you be my matron of honor?" And then here is my other sister's. She's going to be my other matron of honor. So I just arrived at my sister's house, and I'm about to surprise her with our maid of honor gift. And I'm going to be asking her to be my maid of honor, so I'm really excited. So I'm just gonna kind of trick her and tell her that I got her a pair of shoes, and just to open it. You got them. I'd love to. How cute. I thought it was something, "Will you marry me?" I was like, "Oh, did someone give you that?"
That's okay.
Yeah, I got you a new pair of shoes.
Oh, really? Oh, wow. I can't marry my mister without my sister. Oh, that's so cute. Wow.
You love everything, Jacob?
Look at Jacob.
Wow.
What Auntie gave me.
Oh, I like this.
Oh.
Wow, Jacob, you love it?
So sure you jumps on there.
Thanks, Chwanzi.
So I got a pair of shoes for you.
Ooh.
You did?
Yeah. Hold up.
I have no makeup on.
It doesn't matter.
Aren't those my shoes? That's not my shoes. Oh, wow, that's a lot.
What does it say here?
Will be. Oh, that's so nice. Yes.
Yay!
Oh,
You love it?
yes, I love it.
What does it say?
Will you be my matron of honor?
Yes.
Yes. I would be honored. Without my makeup.
Christina did the same thing. She was like, "I look scary." No. I was like, "It's okay. It's all about the memories."
Oh, yes. Okay.
That's not shoes.
Read the sign.
Aww. Oh, how cute. Oh, how do you say no to gifts? Wow, Serena, this is a lot of stuff. I didn't even have to bring any cosmetics. Oh, thank you. That's so sweet. Yay, happy birthday. Wow, this is a lot of stuff.
You have everything. Now you're gonna be beautified and pampered.
You're gonna have to teach me how to use all of this stuff. I don't even know what to do with it. You have to show me how to put this on. No, it's a dress.
It's a dress. So you could do either way, like if you like the little peephole in the front or in the back. But that's the correct way.
I like these.
Yes.
These are the ones your
Very
mom
comfy.
wears.
Hi, love. What are we doing?
DIY stuff.
DIY stuff for a wedding. We already got a whole bunch of beautiful nice frames for our seating chart and to show you guys what we have planned. Hey guys, we are at a Japanese garden.
Some fish food in here, and it says right here, please feed fish, food only, thank you. So everyone get some. Come on. Let's go feed the fish. I'm gonna grab some in here.
Wow, they're hungry. Look at that.
No, what is that sound? It sounds like the water.
It sounds like a monster.
Video.
I think it is right now.
Shot. Drink it. Pound it. There you go.
Oh, good. What is that? I don't know.
Mexican candy.
Oh,
Mexican candy.
We are heading to our, it's like a love film that we're doing for our wedding, not our wedding, but like our engagement. We have 2 locations that we're going to, and we're excited because this videographer that we're working with, he is very, very professional, and he's worked with MTV, VH1, a lot of music videos.
He's got really good vision for certain scenes, good creativity. He's got a style for sure. So we're excited about it.
Yes. All right, you guys, we are at our second location. We just wrapped up the first scene of our love story film, and this is the second location. Is just filled of beautiful flowers and weeds. Well, so far weeds, but it's gonna be more flowers later. Hopefully. And so far everything looks amazing. It looks so good. So we will see you guys. I'll be trying to get a little behind the scenes, but We've been having a lot of fun, and